Hello everyone, in this video I will review Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Powder. Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Powder is one of the most popular supplements for supporting skin, hair, nails, joints, and overall wellness. It's made from collagen peptides, which are broken down so your body can absorb them more easily. The powder has no strong taste or smell, so it mixes well with coffee, smoothies, or even plain water without changing the flavor much. Many people say they notice smoother skin, strong nails, and less hair breakage after using it for a few weeks. Others use it to help with joint comfort and recovery after workouts, and some report less stiffness when they take it daily. It's also a source of protein, so it can be a simple way to add extra nutrition to your diet. One of the biggest pros is how easy it is to use, just a scoop a day, and it dissolves quickly. The brand is also widely trusted, available in many stores and often recommended by wellness influencers. Another plus is that it comes in different sizes and even flavored options if you don't want plain powders. On the downside, results can vary, and some people don't see visible changes even after finishing a container. It can also be a little pricey compared to generic collagen brands. A few users mention minor stomach discomfort, but most tolerate it well. Overall, Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Powders is a convenient and high-quality option if you're looking to support beauty and joint health from the inside out. It works best when used consistently over time rather than expecting instant results. In my opinion, it's easy to mix, widely trusted, and effective for many, but it may take time and is a bit more expensive than other brands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.